Okay, in this video we're going to solve problems involving difference of two squares. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to the first example. Now we should factorize x squared minus y squared. So solution just a single step base. X minus y here, then in x plus y. That's our solution. And if you want to prove it, we're going to expand this. So what we need to do, this bracket, this bracket here. So you made the x, which is this one. I got that one, which is x plus y here, and we're going to take minus y there, and I got so the same bracket, which is x plus y. So if you multiply x and x, it was x squared, then x and dy, you get it was a plus xy, then this one, that one, you get it was a minus xy, then in negative and positive, you get it was a negative, and y times y, that will be y squared. So combining like terms together, these are the like terms here, like a plus xy minus xy, that will be 0. They would have this and the x squared minus y squared, which is the same as the this guy here. Yeah, they would take a minute. Let's now move on to another example. And now we factorize x squared minus 25. What we need to do here, we need to look for a number which can be raised to the power 2 to give us 25. Probably that number is 5. So we have x squared minus 5 squared. And the next thing, you're going to reduce the two brackets here, plus and minus. So here we're going to have x minus 5, and the other bracket will be x plus 5. So in this case, this is our answer. If you want to prove that one, go to the original question. You may divanga this bracket, multiply this bracket. So divanga x, which is this one, this bracket x plus 5, and then minus 5. I got into the same bracket, so we have minus 5 here multiplied by x plus 5 there. So this one and this one, you get what's x squared, then plus this guy multiplied by that one, you get what's 5x. The same applies here. Minus 5 x, you got what's minus 5x, and the minus 5 times positive 5, as I get what's negative 25. And the next step is to combine like terms together. So you can see we have a positive 5x and negative 5x, and the difference of that, as I get what's 0, remaining with x squared minus 25. So you can see the same as our question. Mind you, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Unique Online Classes Malawi, as well as liking my Facebook page bearing the same name, Unique Online Classes Malawi. Come also to Global, have a good news. These videos will be aired on Invent TV, and they'll be sponsoring the production of these videos. So let's now move on to another question. I'm now going to factorize y squared minus 5. We should factorize y squared minus 5. So on this one, single number already raised to the power 2 as our official number. I'm going to like a whole number, but 5. As a couple of the lab one day to win a guy to win a what's our maths reading up on the branch. And about the bangi apply some sats jet and Galamugumbogira 32 Koremus and this 32 as I met what's a 34 and the 34 as I got what's a 2. The same applies here. If you put 35 times 35 as I got what's a 25, and square root of 25 and say it was a 4. So in this one, you need to bang tingolimba y squared minus we're going to put 35 here squared. For if we square that one, I say it was a 5. So here equal y squared I mean not y squared but y minus 35, then another bracket will be y plus 35 there. This is our answer. So if you want to prove that tibanga y kote musa the bracket which is y kote musa ndi y plus 35, and here negative 35 multiplied by y plus 35 here. So this one it's y squared, and this one that one it puts a minus y 35, and minus here, I mean it's plus here, sorry, this one that one you got it positive y 35. The same applies here, you got it negative y 35, and negative and the positive it's negative 35 in this 35 it's 25 answer is 5. So here if you combine like them together is in this Moses because of the mangati 35 y, it's not a problem. Command on this Moses. So if you subtract it there, the answer will be 0, remaining with y squared minus 5, which is our question. This one. My guy. Let's now move on to another question. Now we should factorize 18 of x squared minus 50. So we need to find my square numbers inside 18, so 50. So inside 18 square number is 9, and inside the 50 square number is 25. So what we need to do, we're going to take out 2 in both terms. So we're going to take out 2 into 18, that's 9 over x squared, and the 2 into 50, that's 25. So difference of 2 squares. So we have 2 outside, and here we have 3 squared over x squared, then minus 5 squared. So adawa made bangira baba take and 2 outside, then have open bracket. This one will be written as 3 over x squared, then minus 5 squared. Now reaching this far, because I'm not so no good some bracket that so bracket is a color x, I mean not x but should be 3 over x, then minus 5 close bracket, and another bracket will be 3 over x then plus 5. So this one, that's our answer. Mutawibanga expand komano mugabanga expand, make sure the answer that to is actually in here, so we don't have time to expand this one. Type again and mugabanga expand 20 my steps, and send your answer to 08824355562. Let's now move on to another question. I'm now going to factorize 8x squared minus 18. 8x squared minus 18. So solution of this one. We need to find our square number in 8 and 18. So our square number by 8 that's 4, and by 18 that's 9, like we did in the previous example. So here we are going to take out 2. So 2 into 8x squared, you are going to remain with 4x squared, then minus 2 into 18, that's 9 here. And you made the bank, we have 2 outside, and then we have 4 over, could carry difference of 2 squares, and then it's 2 raised to the power 2, and x squared raised to the power 2, then minus 9 they would in the 3 raised to the power 2. Sorry. And reaching this far, we are going to do this. We have 2x here, then squared. They would as banga combine. If we tell you banga break a 2 squared and the x squared. The same applies here. You have 3 raised to the power 2. And the next thing we need to do, we're going to reduce the brackets here, minus and the positive. So we have 2 outside, then open bracket 2x minus 3, and the other bracket will be 2x plus 3 as our answer. That's the answer there. Yet you can expand this one as well. My guide, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's now move on to another question. Now go to factorize 16x raised to the power 4 minus y raised to the power 4. So you may divide up solution to break 16. There is a 4 raised to the power 2, then x power 4 minus y power 4. We're done. Now the next thing we need to do to know pakonza swaba kuti pakhale power 2. There is a 4 power 2, then x power 2, then square, then minus y power 2, then have a square there. Now you can see we have 10 power 2 also power 2, and we can combine 4 and x squared. Could carry 4 x squared raised to the power 2. So this is in the power 2. They would take it in as the y squared then power 2. Now above they would titano bank produce the 2 brackets here minus in the positive. They would in the 4x squared minus y squared. Ina ikakhala 4x squared plus y squared. Now our single satamalize for so it has a difference of 2 squares. So leaving this one aside, we can break this one as well. Could you carry 2 squared, then x squared minus y squared? They would titozibanga kumenya use kandi square mode. They will cut 2x, then close the bracket squared minus y squared. So on this one as well, you're going to produce 2 brackets. You need to carry 2x minus y. You need to carry 2x plus y. But don't forget your dawa. You need to carry 4x squared minus plus y squared. So we will do the answer like that. So this is the answer. You can expand it because I'm going to expand window you into zamalizira and the dawa answer like that. Yomwili kumwambayo. Here my guys it. Let's now move on to another example. This one you can ways so we do over the teacher. Then daily mods. We have 2 ways here. Then the njiro yamba mutokupanga kale expand hapo. They could have 16 here. We have 16 minus however they could put bracket away. We have 3 minus y. Then in is a color 3 minus y. That's the meaning of that square. And this one expand easy. They would have 16 outside minusing. Then here we are going to multiply 3 into you. Could carry 3 minus y, and the minus y I got them sense so the same bracket 3 minus y there. So we have 16 outside minus, here we have 9, then minus 3y, and here 3 in the minus y got plus minus 3y, then negative it's positive, y and y, that's y squared. And the combined like terms together have 16 outside, then here you have 9, then minus 6y like terms together, this one, then plus then y squared there. Ready? Now we can now remove the bracket here by distributing this one. So we have 16, then minus here 9, and the negative and negative have positive 6 y, and the negative and the positive you get as positive y, not positive, should be negative y squared. Combine like terms together, this one, and say you got about 7, then you plus 6y, then you minus y squared. So you we can now factorize factorize. Factorize as usual. This one you got about minus 7y squared. So factors of 7 which can give us positive 6 here, then the plus 7 and the minus 1. If you can multiply negative and positive, answer get negative. 1 times 7 is 7. But if you add this, answer get positive 6. So instead of writing positive 6y, we're going to place with the factors here. So we have 7y, not 7y, sorry, but 7 plus 7y, this one, and the minus y, which is minus 1 there, then minus y squared. So next step is to producing the brackets, pairing. They will commonly factor in the first bracket, that's 7, and 7 into 7, that's 1, plus 7 into 7y, that's y, and then the minus here, common factor here, that's y, and the y into y, that's 1, and the positive y into negative y into negative y squared, that will be positive y. So this bracket and that bracket, no fun now, you can just pick one bracket which is 1 plus y here, and the other bracket equal which is 7 minus y, combining the factors. They would factorize. So njira ine mwini manena which is simplest one, yoguliza ndizo mutu banga difference two squares shumini bange. We're going to break abobo bakali square number, which is the square number, of course. The square number did even break, which is what 4 raised to the power 2, and the minus here tindian 3 minus y squared. So we're going to consider this one as x, we're going to consider this one as y is the squared. They would that to some bracket away x plus y in is a column x minus y here. Now for numbers of the winners a color x win and y, they would have it in the 4, then minus here open the bracket to have a 3 minus y, which is y, then you close the bracket. In a bracket is a positive, in the bracket a negative, there is a candy 4 plus open the bracket y if in the minute which is 3, then minus y, close the bracket. So we can break the bracket. They would have a candy 4, this one multiplied by that one, they will become minus 3, and this one multiplied by that one, then d plus y here. Then in the second bracket you have a 4, then remove the bracket here, positive 1 times 3, that's positive 3, and the negative and positive y, and second it's a negative y. Now combining the like terms together, 4 minus 3, that's 1 plus y, and in the second bracket 4 plus 3, that's 7, then minus y. You can see this method very simple. Yari some fanana na indi yomwira ba 1 plus y 7 minus y, so 1 plus y 7 minus y, same answer. So accordingly meru wangira za to difference of two squares kaso video gake kamene kuti kakhale mene ndapangira this side osatiza okunzota itsanthawi ifuka mapeleka 3 marks, so you cannot solve 3 marks chi method yonse. So just make sure kuti you are applying this method. Let's now move on to another question, but that question should be the last one. This one inafunsidwa po WhatsApp group, and I'm going to factorize 9 over 16 minus x squared, sorry, ngozolo ya x, 9 over 16 minus open bracket y minus 2 close bracket squared. So solution of this one, you can pause the video and solve this one using the method mwenda pangaichi. You can pause the video please. Chibeti bange break apopo the roots and squares. They can 3 squared over 16, not 16, sorry. I'm tired. Okay, that's the 4 squared, and minus, we have here y minus 2, then squared there. Now reaching this juncture, this one can be written as 3 over 4, then here squared minus, and y minus 2 close bracket squared. Maona mini bubu ndekuti we can consider this one as x squared, you can consider as y squared, could cut difference of 2 squares. Now kubanga y ngosa vuta ndekuti x y ife ndi 3 over 4, then minus y ife ndekuti yoseyo, which is open bracket y minus 2 ndekuti tapanga bracket oyamba, and the other bracket xy ife, that's a 3 over 4, then plus close bracket, which is y ife and the y minus 2, then close bracket. And the next step, removing the bracket, they would have it in the 3 over 4, then here if you multiply you get minus y, then plus 2, negative bracket means that 9, then I can do 3 over 4, then this one you got positive y, then negative and the positive, and so it's negative, and the 2 there, and the 1 you got 2. Remove our bracket available. And the next step is to combine like them together, this one and this one to combine. So ngazile mbili bambali could carry 3 over 4, then plus 2 over 1, like I mean common denominator, that's 4 into 4, that's 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 into 4, that's 4 times 2, that's 8, and our answer will be 11 over 8. And within the first bracket, in the 11 over 8 minus y, and in the second bracket we're going to subtract this, negative in the 3 over 4, then minus 2 over 1, common denominator 4 into 4, that's 1 times 3, that will be 3, then minus 1 into 4, that's 4 times 2, that's 8. And if we subtract above, they will say it's negative 5 over 4. Then in the other bracket we have y didn't go positive, and that's if we didn't write a negative. So here you have negative 5 over 4 here. So this is the answer here. Here my guy, remember my evangelism, and this makes the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best. Ngatwala mafonswena mutakutumiza namba lomwe 0882435562. You can send your question to WhatsApp, komanso divanga text to Facebook page Unique Online Classes Malawi. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and have a lovely day.